Radhe Radhe. Today is Saturday, 27th July 2024. And here we are to present you this recap video for our Bhagavad Gita recitation session, where we have ended chapter 11. We had our second part of the review series continuing from last week. So along with me here for this video is Mummy.
Radhe Radhe.
So I'll bring up the slides and you'll see that we covered in this second part, chapter 11, verses 36 through 55. As I said, the second part, continuing from last time. In this video, Mummy will recite a few selected verses from that segment. So for everyone to listen along and, of course, practice. So we'll start off with chapter 11, verse 36.
So everybody just notice that chapter 11 has lots of verses in Tristubh meter, whereby the syllables are more. They are 44, 11 per pada, and the tune changes. Now in today's verses, some of the verses are in Tristubh meter and some of the verses are in Anustubh meter. Anustubh meter is the normal shloka, whereby there are 32 syllables, 8 syllables per pada. You will see the difference in tune as I recite a few chosen verses from today's class. Arjuna Uvacha Sthane ऋषिकेश तव प्रकीर्त्या जगत् प्रहृष्यत्य अनुरज्यते च रक्षांसि भीतानि दिशो द्रवन्ति सर्वे नमस्यन्ति च सिद्धसङ्घाः त्वमादिदेवः पुरुषः पुराणः त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानम् वेत्तासि वेद्यं च परं च धाम त्वया ततं विश्वम् अनन्तरूप सखेति मत्वा प्रसभं यदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानं तवेदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽस्त्य अभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यो लोकत्रयस्य अप्रतिमः प्रभाव किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रहस्तम् इच्छामि त्वां द्रष्टुम् अहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते. Okay, so now here comes the difference. It's a shloka, normal shloka. Until now, it was all 44 syllables and we were singing in Tristubh meter. Now you see the difference in singing meter. This is Anustubh meter. Shri Bhagavanu Vacha Sudurdarsham idam rupam Drishtvan asiyan mama देवा अप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शन कांक्षिणः नाहं वेदैर्न तपसा न दानेन न चेज्यया शक्य एवं विधो द्रष्टुं दृष्टवान् असि मां यथा मत्कर्म कृन्मत्परमो मद्भक्तः संगवर्जितः निर्वैरः सर्वभूतेषु यः स मामेति पाण्डव. And at the end of every chapter, we do gratitude, closing prayer, offering it at Sri Krishna's lotus feet. Om Tat Sad Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjun Samvade Vishwarupa Darshan Yogo Nama Ekadashodhyayah Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu Harihi Om. So I hope all these recap videos help you in practicing chapter 11. All throughout these sessions for past 2-3 months, we have produced recap videos for 5 verses each time. And last 2 videos are for the revision, in which I have just chosen few verses and just for you to remind yourself for practice. Over to you, Gagan.
Thank you, Mummy. Indeed, full collection there for everyone's benefit and practice. So make the most of that. The chapter that we have viewed again, the chapter with a view. In fact, let me remind everyone quickly about the review in the second half that you saw with the flyer, hopefully. So the chapter with a view, vicariously we benefiting through this samvad, this dialogue with Arjun and Sri Krishna, and Arjun getting to see Sri Krishna's cosmic form, we of course have been able to benefit with a little bit of that bliss, that view, that perception. So keep practicing, and till we meet next time, thank you so much. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.